Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the Chakra Labs airdrop. Okay, Chakra Labs airdrop, it's a Depin airdrop and it is relatively new or fairly new at the moment, so you can be able to hop in the same way we have been doing other Depin airdrops like Grass, NODEPAY, Depin, Despeed, Validator, Solix, Validator, Solix, Voltix, 3DOS, and name them. There are a lot of them. Okay, so it's the same format in terms of using a Chrome extension and mining for the Depin airdrop. In addition to that, I'm also going to cover this particular video for both the PC as well as the laptop version, as you're already seeing right here. If you also want to be able to get a first-hand information on all the Depin airdrops, you can head over to my channel where you can be able to see all the Depin airdrops for both PC as well as on mobile if you're using an Android phone, for you to be able to get them and do all of them simultaneously in order to earn more points. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. All right, another form of introduction will be that there is a cryptocurrency course that I'm running and I'm going to be able to upload it soon. It's a very long detailed course and you can be able to get something from it. It is completely free here on my YouTube channel. So if you don't have enough money or any amount for you to be able to pay for those high-end cryptocurrency trading courses, you can be able to take them here on my channel for a long-form course for free, all right, for your own benefits. All right, let's get started. So here is Chakra Labs AI. It's a Depin airdrop and it's fairly new or relatively new, and a lot of things are at stake in the sense that it's actually a golden tick, unlike some others that aren't. And it's also new because they have less followers, but they are trying to be able to build something. Hence, if we can be able to start mining them now, you'll be able to get something tangible. All right. So if you are going to use the link that is showing in the description, it will take you to the Chrome extension here, which you will see, as well as the official website alongside. Here you get the Chrome is to click on the add the Chrome extension and make sure that it is added on your Chrome tab. Okay, the same way that you're seeing on my home tab where other Depin airdrops that I'm mining are also currently visible. Then once it is still loading or still downloading, you can be able to go through the link that is showing in the description. If you click on it, and it will actually lead you to this particular place. For you to be able to proceed in terms of doing the Chakra Scout airdrop, you need to be able to get the Chrome extension downloaded first. That's what it will tell you. All right, so at the moment we are actually downloading ours. Okay, it's currently at 1 minute left, but I'm just going to skip this video for this particular time. Once it has fully downloaded, the next thing that you need to be able to do is to click on the Chrome extension. As you're already seeing, it's on the top. You click on the Chrome extension link and it will open this drop down for you. The next is for you to be able to click on get started. All right, click on get started and it will actually load to the account. All right, it will actually load to the account because you have already installed the Chrome extension. Okay, I've actually installed the Chrome extension and it will actually load up for you. Okay, it will actually load up for you. But the objective that you need to be able to do, once you do it, you don't sign up to the Chrome extension that you just opened. That's this one. You can actually click just for you to be able to know. Then you can go back to the main account, the one that you clicked on the description, the one that is showing on the screen, as well as the one on the description. Then impute your details there. Okay, that's where you need to be able to impute your details. All right, so I'm going to impute my details right now and click on next. Once you have signed up as well as added the referral link that is showing on your screen, you also get an email notification that you need to be able to confirm. Okay, the one that you are seeing as a screenshot right now, you have to confirm your email before it will go as that's credit to your account again. Then the next thing is for you to be able to relog in again and it will sign you up completely. Next, this is how it looks like, and the entire interface, as well as how the whole Chakra AI looks like. Okay, so now you have actually successfully signed up. All right, you have actually successfully signed up on their websites. Okay, so next is to be able to click on the node extension, because once you have signed up, it will actually redirect you on the node extension. Then here, as you see me click on the node extension, you just press the power button here and it will start mining your entire accounts. Okay, but here it's already on. You just press the power button and it will start mining. It will mine for every 4 hours. Okay, it will mine for every 4 hours and give you extra load of points. So if you feel free, you can be able to just be browsing or doing whatever you want to do. That's recording videos, doing whatever, doing your normal browsing research, and it will just be mining it for you. The same way we have the other airdrops like Validator here, 3DOS, this is Blessed Network, Solix, even NODEPAY, NAORIS, Despeed, Teneo protocol, etc. So just be browsing your browser, using your network or your browser normally as the way you would have actually done it. The same thing actually works if you are using a PC, but I'm also going to cover the same particular airdrop, that's this Chakra airdrop, for mobile users. Okay, so if you feel like you think you need someone to be able to guide you, all right, I'm going to drop the video concerning how you can be able to do the same Chakra Scout airdrop using a mobile PC. My name is odisprofits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.